What's up, folks? Barry Buckner here, CEO of GTMA and Evernote AI. Let's talk about something I hear all the time. If we start using AI for our marketing, does it lose the human touch? Great question. Short answer, not if you do it right. Let's get into it. AI is a tool, not a replacement. It can write, design, plan, schedule, but you bring the soul. Here's how we keep things personal in this new digital landscape. So, design and branding. Design isn't just about looks, it's about feeling. Great branding sparks something deep, a connection to culture, to emotions, to who we really are. It's listening, adapting, and adding the human spark you just can't fake, because at the end of the day, people trust people, and that human presence is what builds a lasting brand and loyalty. Video production. AI can cut faster, generate subtitles, and handle the busy work, but it'll never capture the magic of a golden hour walk with your furry friend or the spark in a leasing agent's eyes as they tell their story. That's the human touch. That's what people connect to. Photography. Yes, AI can generate images, but your future residents want to see the real deal, your community, your people, your vibe. Digital marketing with a voice. With AI, you can personalize content at scale. Want blog articles tailored for each neighborhood? Emails that actually sound like your brand? AI helps get it done. But you set the tone, the humor, the humanity. At GTMA and Evernote AI, we use AI to amplify the personal touch, not replace it. Because in multifamily marketing, it's not just about filling units. It's about creating community. All right, I'm Barry Buckner, and when tech and heart work together, that's when the magic happens. Catch you on the next one.